So congratulations.
Thank you.
Yay,
I'm so
fine.
excited.
So these are really just simple questions. All right. So what are things that you loved about the course?
I love that we had access to you or our mentors and Dr. Roberts every week. I love the fact that you could actually talk to her an hour every Monday for mentoring, for student calls. That's unheard of. I loved how the modules were broken down. I loved all the information. I mean, I'm kind of OCD. I have a book, a binder this thick with all of my modules that I've printed out and all my downloads and everything. And I like the fact that we can go back and look at that stuff. I don't have to remember that in my head. I've got it to go back and look at. And I loved learning about the Chinese medicine. I loved learning about the veterinary medicine. Like I said, I love having access to you. And I'm going to say people are at first like, that's a lot of money to do something for 4 months. Okay, well, you think about the training that you received. She's a vet. Not only is she a vet, she's a holistic. She's world known. You can come off of that because the training that you get from her and for this course and from you mentors is invaluable to me. Invaluable. I'd spend $10,000, and I'm being serious. I mean, it really is. And you're looking at a career, and you're looking at people like us that love our animals, that love our pets. This is something that I thoroughly enjoyed, and I encourage anybody that has a love of animals to do this. And my main thing is traditional vet care and holistic care. They can be married and they can go and it can work excellent, and as it should be, So I'm looking forward to training clients. So that's what I loved about it.
Oh, good. Thank you so much. That's great. What would you say to someone asking, so what would you recommend to them if they were asking about this course? What would you say to them?
If they ask, did I think it was worth taking them? I would say absolutely. Again, like I'll have to reiterate, the training and the one-on-one contact with Dr. Ruth and our mentors, you can't. It's invaluable. So yeah, it's well worth your investment. And it's an investment in your future. It's an investment.
Awesome. And then is there anything you'd like to see more of in the program?
I think what would be fun is maybe when we have our weekly calls, but say maybe a weekly group Q&A. In other words, with the students, with our mentors or whatever, something like that, something not so formal, and we could bounce around things like, what about this or what about that? Maybe a little group chat with our mentors.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I've thought about that kind of stuff too. And then how are you planning to use the information that you've learned?
Well, I've already have one real client already. So as you know, I do canine massage, as you do. So the canine massage and the coaching all go hand in hand for me for pet wellness. And so I am going to educate other pet parents and help them with their babies, cats or dogs, to lead better, healthier, happier lives. That's what I'm going to do with it.
Good. I need that already. Do you have any success stories that have happened?
Yes. So this lady, Lori Tolliver, she's a dog trainer in Florida. She actually found me through a platform called Alignable. It's a social networking for businesses. And she's like, hey, I'd like to pick your brain on this and that. And so since she was my getting feet wet, I really didn't charge her because I didn't. I wanted to see how it went. So her dog Blue, he's a Dalmatian. He's 4 years old. He had some crystals in his urine. And so other than that, he really didn't have any health issues. And we discussed changing. He was on kibble, but he was on from kibble, but still he was on kibble. And knowing that kibble's not moisturizing and he has stones and he has some crystals, I introduced her to CrockPet Diet. So she started with salmon So she has him on salmon, and he absolutely gobbles his food up. He loves it. And of course, he's on the supplements, and I even recommended one of the Chinese herbs for crystals. So she's just absolutely loving every minute of it, what we were doing. And she's already recommended me to several people. She was really happy that, and she's sharing it with her vet. And actually her vet was very happy with what we had chosen for Blue. So that makes me feel good.
Great. Yeah, that's awesome. I wonder if I should have you answer that again.
God.
So that's it. That's all the questions. Yeah.
All right. Well, I've thoroughly enjoyed it, and you've been an awesome mentor, and you were just so helpful. And I'll stay in touch with you for sure.
Oh my gosh, yes, please. Yeah, and like I said, and like I'm always here for questions, anything you run into. We have to see each other in person.
Yes, I'll come down to Charleston. We'll have some lunch or dinner or whatever.
We have to figure it out. So yeah, but congratulations. I'm so proud of you. And
thank you so much.
You're gonna be so great. I can't wait.
Thank you. Have a good night. Have a good day. Bye, Michael. Bye.